How to post a picture on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually post a picture on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would actually go ahead and then post a picture on YouTube, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open YouTube. Now you can of course post videos, but to create a picture, just like how these people do over here, they created a picture and added a caption, right? You can just tap the plus icon. Instead of selecting upload video, create a short and so on, select the option called create a post. And now once you've done that, you can just select an image that you would like to add over here and write a message, tap on post, and your post will get successfully created. This way you can post a picture on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.